Okay, so you may not have any kind of a saw at home, but you may have a utility knife, and you can cut out that notch with the utility knife. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So first, just score the line. So that means just kind of cut it lightly, scratch that line in on one face, and you should have two parts to cut in. You're not trying to cut through the whole thing, just, one layer. And then on the other side, you're going to score that in again. So you're kind of scratching that in, and then scratching this side in, right? So you might do it a couple times because you're just kind of getting that through a couple little layers, all right? Okay, you can go back to the front, and now you can kind of get that blade in there and push all the way down. Now you might only be able to push halfway through. That's okay. If you push halfway through, then you can flip it around and push the other way through. It depends on what's in the middle of your board. This one's got some pretty soft wood, so one push did it. But you can see it's got kind of a lump in the middle here. Let me see if I can show you. So I don't think I want that. I think I want that lump out of there, so I'm going to shave it a little bit, make it a little bit bigger. Okay, now I can test and see if I put this in place. I'm going to take this other block and kind of put it right up next to that and see if that's loose or tight or whatever. It fits in there just fine, so I think that doesn't need anything. Okay, let me see if I can get it going the other way for you. It's a better visual. All right, so I've got this kind of like this, and you can see that these are touching. Does this fit in? Yes, it does. Now, if it's too tight, then all you do is you take your knife and you trim just a little bit off. And if it isn't deep enough, you can trim from this direction too. Okay, so you can just trim that, and that's how you cut a notch using a utility knife.